Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Agbleze, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to put a website in maintenance mode or in coming soon. So probably you're already creating your website, or you are working on your website currently, and you don't want the website to be down, such that once they visit it, they are going to be seeing either website is in maintenance mode or coming soon. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So before we get into it, if you are new here, please kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. So just click on that button right now and the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified of any video I release next. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and if you are yet to, please just click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so now let's get into it. In order for you to create a maintenance mode on your website, WordPress website, you are going to be making use of a plugin. So what you are going to do is just go to the back end of your WordPress website, then head over to plugins and add new. So once you the plugins we are going to be using, okay, so let me click on add new. So you come over here and search for maintenance. So this is it. This is what the plugin looks like. So just install and activate the plugin. I haven't installed and activated the plugin, so you see it here, maintenance. So you can come here and just click on it. So what you see here is you can see that it's currently on. Now, if you are to check it from the front end, now if I should refresh it now, you see that on this particular page, the page is still opening. That's because I am logged in. Exactly, as an admin or as an administrator, I'm logged in. That's why you see this particular bar here. Exactly, that's because I'm logged in. So if I decide to open the same website in, let's say in an incognito window, let's do that. So you can see this is what it's going to look like. Exactly. So that's it. Like that, we already put it in a maintenance mode. This is what anyone that tries to visit the website will be seeing this. So like I said, when you might need this, it's probably you are working on the website on the behind the scene, doing a lot of things behind the scene, doing some correction or modification, and you just want something to just still display on the screen. Now, so the next thing I want to do is I want to show you how you can customize all of these things that is showing on the screen. So now let me just put this on one side of the screen. Let me just split it like this. All right, so now let's go back to the plugin. So the plugin has some of these themes, but they are premium ones. However, we can still have something great even without using this premium one. Now look at the page title, which is site is under maintenance. So all of these things that you are seeing on the screen, you can change it, including the background. Exactly, so you can change it. Now the site is under background. Site is undergoing maintenance. So this is it here. So if you want to change it to something different, so let's say I want to still have it as Lipo 360 surgery. Let's just say Lipo 360 surgery services or clinic. Okay. So and then the headline maintenance mode is on. So this is it. A maintenance mode is on. So if I want to put it like, if I want to change it to, okay, our website is under maintenance. So that's just to let you know that all these things are customizable. So you can change them to suit your needs. So website is under maintenance. I can decide to change it. So then the description site will be available soon. Thank you for your patience. So this is it here. And then what else can we change? You can also change the footer text like what we are having here. So I can just put like, okay, Lipo 360 surgery, and just, okay, call, or let me just put email. See you at info, or let me just use info at Lipo 360. Let's go. All right. So let me save it. So once I save it, all of these changes that I'm doing, it to reflect here. So if I should refresh this page now, all the changes that we've done, you can see websites under maintenance. Then you can see this. So now let's still scroll down and see the other things that we can also do. So so if you want to show, this is quite optional. So these are other features that you can add: show map, show contact form. These ones are available in the pro version. But like I said, I think the free version is quite okay, because if your website's on maintenance mode or coming soon, I'm sure it shouldn't be there for too long. Just like so. Then you can also add a logo. So you want to have your logo here. So let's just click here, upload. So, and I select. So I've added the logo. So let's see. If you want to add the retina logo, then the background also, you can easily change the background, which is what we are seeing here. So you just click on upload, and then, so let's say I want to change the background to one of these images. So what else? Okay, this is for pro, that's the background video. And then also the background color. So you can see it's having like a black overlay. Exactly. So if you want to do, you can also change that. So let me save this now. And then since we have saved it here, let me come here and come and refresh. So you can see it. So now let's also look at, if you look at it on, this is now where this is where the logo will be. Exactly. So if you look at it now from the front end, there's an option for you to log in, where you can enter your WordPress username and then your password, you log in. So if you don't want these features also, you can just head over here, still on from the back end. So here you can also have the Google Analytics ID, so that you can track the traffic coming into the this particular page. So okay, login background color, you can change the color to any color. Like this now, it's currently having a black background, so you can change the color here. And then the font color, so it's really customizable. And then, so let's scroll down and see the other features there. So now you can also exclude certain page from maintenance mode. What it actually means is that once your website is on maintenance mode, all the pages will not come up. This is what will be showing in place of the pages. But if you want some certain page to still come up, so you just come, or posts or pages. So for example, page, if I want the services page to be up, that is to be visible, I can just select it. Exactly. So that's what this is for. So just make sure that once you do all of these changes, you are saving them immediately, so that it can reflect on the front end of the website. And like I said, don't forget, if you are logged in, you won't be seeing the maintenance, you'll be seeing the page the way it should be. Exactly, you're going to be seeing the pages, you're going to be seeing the website the way it should be. But once you are not logged in, this is what you are going to be seeing. You're going to see the maintenance mode for the particular page. So basically that's how you can set up maintenance page on your website. You can also change it from website, like I said, from websites under maintenance to coming soon. So whatever, depending on what you want to do. So that is it, guys. I hope you find value in it. Again, the name of the plugin, like I said, is called maintenance. So you just go on the plugin page and then add new, then search for maintenance, and then you see it there. So you can see it is currently on. So if you don't want to use it again, you can just turn off the plugin using this button. You can see, then once you do that, you save changes. So now I've turned it off. So let me just go back to the incognito browser. So if I should refresh it, so you can see the website is back. So that is how you can also turn it on and turn it off. So I hope you find value in this. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to still subscribe, please show some love. Just click on that subscribe button. And with that, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.